It is March 23rd, 2023. We're here at the vessel Footloose. Did want to show you there's a lot of flaking of the hard coat. You can see the second color underneath, and then you can actually see gel coat. I'm not going to get all that green off the gel coat because it's only going to last about, maybe 3 hours. This gel coat area has no anti-fouling properties. I did clean it. You'll see the difference between the before and the after video. There's a lot of areas of the boat that are kind of like this. So without further ado, let me show you the side that was dirty in the comparison video. Here's the side I showed you that was already cleaned. Now let's look at the side I just cleaned.